How's it going, everyone? It's Ty here with PPL Motorhomes in Cleburne. Got another one for you today. It's a F284, a 42-foot 2021 Sandpiper. Y'all know the drill. We're gonna start on the outside and we'll work our way inside. Needs to be washed, but other than that, it looks in good shape, like it was barely used for 2021. Some room up front for a generator if you chose to put one in. Small, just dirt. Got propane tanks, outside speaker on this side. Pass-through storage. 110 plugs for an outside TV if wanted. More plugs. Outdoor speaker. Awning fabric looks to be in good shape. Just dirt. Tires are from 2021. Look in good shape. Fender's got some southern fan on it, normal. Coolest part of the whole trailer, full outdoor kitchen. Microwave doesn't look used. A little dirty in there. Mini fridge. Got some storage in there. Your hose for the LP hookup. Got another little grill on the back side here. Got some minor scratches on the back. Already rear camera prepped. .50 amp power cord that comes with the unit. .50 amp power cord hookup. Tires look good. No major body damage that I'm seeing. Got your furnace vents. Definitely gonna want some bug screens on that. Got your water bay area. Pass-through storage on the other side. Spare tire. Battery disconnect. Got your batteries. A little dusty from 2021. Electric leveling jacks. This is very well taken care of. We'll head inside, let's check the inside out. Come to the door to the kitchen here. Go up front and check the living room out. Trifold bed. Electric fireplace. TV comes out from behind it. Nice window. Some storage through here. Some 110 plugs. More storage through here. You see it has the cabinets that don't slam. More storage. Second trifold bed. I'll send a picture of those folded out. There's theater seating there. Some plugs back there. Just manual recliners. Some storage up there. Control panel that runs everything. Water pump, water heater, lights, slides, awnings. More plugs there. Lots of counter space. More storage through here. Vacuum hoses. Residential fridge, stainless. The fridge looks in good shape. Convection microwave. A little storage up top. 4-burner gas top stove. Nice size oven. Probably cooking that one. Lots of pantry storage. Really deep cabinets. Still not touching the back. Let's pull out drawers. Like the lids curled up a little bit, or the piece of trim came off. We'll get that put back on. Over to our sink. Nice deep stainless sink. Storage drawers all through here. Stored underneath the sink, all the owner's manuals. More storage through here. More counter space with plugs. Doors through there. There's the central vac system. Thermostat to the AC. Nice size bathroom. Stackable washer and dryer. Storage underneath the sink. Nice size medicine cabinet. Nice tall shower. Gotta get that slide ran out all the way. Let's see, you got lots of storage there. I have more storage on that side. Sorry, that slide's not run out all the way. Some storage underneath the bed. This is a 2021 42-foot Sandpiper. My name's Ty, sales professional here at PPL Motorhomes in Cleveland. Give us a call with any questions or come by and see us. Thanks for watching.